Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to sew this pretty dress right here. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and most importantly turn on your notifications so you are notified each time we make a post. So these are the fabrics I'll be using to sew this dress. So we'll start off by drafting the top part of this dress with the yellow fabric. So I have here 4 pieces of fabric that I've cut. The length of this fabric is 14 inches and then the width is 6 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this into 2 again. So after folding into 2, I'm going to get 8 pieces of fabrics and I'm going to go in by 2 inches from the side and then mark, and then after that I'm going to connect the marks with a straight line and draw the line. So from the top I'm going to go down by 4 inches and mark, and then connect the line to touch the side of this fabric. Afterwards I'm going to come in with my curve ruler and then draw the armhole. Next I'm going to cut out this armhole beautifully. So after cutting, this is what I have, 4 pieces in all. This is for the front, this is for the back, and next I'm going to do is to stitch the sides down by ½ inch all around the armhole through to the top and then to the armhole as well and end here. So I'm going to stitch for both the front and the back. After stitching, this is what I have. I went ahead to also press this down with an iron. The next I'm going to do is to cut out this small piece of fabric which is equal to the length of these bodies, and I went ahead to also stitch the sides down by ½ inch on both sides. So next I'm going to place this on top of the bodies and then pin it. After pinning, I'm going to head to the sewing machine and stitch this down on ½ inch on both. Afterwards I will turn it this way and then I'm going to fold it onto the back as well this way and then stitch it down on ½ inch as well. I'll stitch it down beautifully. So after stitching, this is what I have neatly done beautifully on both the front and then the back pattern. So I'm going to place this on top of the back and then also attach the sides together. So I'm going to pin it, hold it down with pins on both sides and then head to the sewing machine and then stitch this down on ½ inch on both sides. So after stitching it down, this is what I have. It's been done beautifully and it is all in one piece. So I'm going to place this aside and then focus on the skirt part of this outfit. So this is it. I have 2 pieces of fabrics here. The length of this fabric is about 16 inches and then the width is also 1.5 times the waist we are using to sew this skirt. So I'm going to draw gathers and then stitch it down on both sides. So after drawing the gathers, this is what I have. I have also stitched it down on both sides and I'm going to take in my front bodies and then attach the skirt part on the bodies. So after stitching it down, I have it here beautifully. Our dress is almost ready. So the next I'm going to do is to cut 2 strips of fabric and then form some pleats down all round and head to my sewing machine, stitch it down on ½ inch all round. So we are done with this dress. See how beautiful it is looking. The last thing I did was to actually sew in a belt and then attach it into the casing on the top. This is very beautiful, so pretty, so nice. I hope you enjoyed this video and you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.